Okay, so old fence line. I'm going to replace these posts eventually, but not yet. Wobbly posts. And I have been trying to fix them like doing this, just like a stake in the ground that I've screwed in. Not working too good, so let's try upgrading these posts. All right, y'all, this is a serious setup for anchoring fence posts. We're going to get out there and do it. They actually give you 2 sets of these anchors. And some screws and bolts and stuff. We'll just go show you how to install this stuff on a fence post. They even give you a drill bit here if you need it. Wow. Okay, I'm going to grab a driver and we'll go install this real quick. Okay, so we're going to take part number 1, which is the spiky one, and it offsets itself away from the post because you got this offset here. You can either try to push it in with your foot or your body, which we probably can here, or probably use a mallet. Probably a smarter way to do it. And we don't want this all the way in the ground. Let's get rid of some more of this grass around this post. Okay, we don't want it all the way in the ground because we're going to attach part 2 to it right here, and we want to be able to get in here and put some bolts through that. I'm not going to tighten these up all the way yet. We're going to screw this into the post first. You could drive this down to the ground further, but it's okay to give it a little space. Now we can tighten these up. So I'd say that's a decent way to use some leverage to your advantage and keep these posts from rocking all over the place. All right, moment of truth, you ready? Not rocking and rolling like it was. These little post supports kind of seem to be the ticket. They give you lots of leverage against that post. So look at how rotten this one is. Up here? Wait, over here? This thing's pretty rotten, and still we're not getting as much movement out of it because we got a lot of leverage going on with that little metal guy.